i35equipment.com. This is the JCB JS145LC hydraulic track excavator. Does have the hydraulic thumb hooked up to the auxiliary hydraulics with foot pedal, full cab, working air conditioning, and this machine is a legal load. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to accompany you. It is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get off the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. Delivery is available to your farm or job site. Get a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Look forward to hearing from you soon and hope you have a great day.